As someone who grew up eating meat daily, I never questioned its effects until strange symptoms appeared. Fatigue after meals, digestive discomfort, and subtle changes in my overall well-being led me down a path of discovery about how meat actually interacts with our bodies. Research from the Mayo Clinic shows that different types of meat affect our bodies in unique ways. Red meat provides complete protein and essential nutrients like iron and B12, but consuming it 3-4 times weekly rather than daily often yields better health outcomes. The digestive system processes animal proteins differently than plant proteins. Meat takes longer to digest, requiring more energy and digestive enzymes. This explains the post-meal tiredness many experience after consuming large meat portions. My personal transformation began when I implemented balanced meat consumption. Within weeks, my energy levels stabilized and digestive issues diminished significantly. This wasn't about elimination, but optimization. What happens when you eat meat regularly? Let's explore the science behind it. Protein metabolism. Meat provides complete proteins containing all essential amino acids your body needs for tissue repair and immune function. However, excessive protein consumption forces your kidneys to work harder filtering nitrogen waste products. Gut microbiome effects. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition show that heavy red meat consumption can alter gut bacteria composition, potentially reducing beneficial bacterial diversity and increasing inflammatory markers. Saturated fat concerns. Conventional meat contains saturated fats that, in excess, may impact cardiovascular health. Research from the American Heart Association indicates replacing some meat-based meals with plant proteins can improve cholesterol profiles. Nutritional benefits. Meat remains one of the best natural sources of bioavailable iron, zinc, and vitamin B12 nutrients critical for energy production and brain function. Deficiencies in these nutrients can develop when completely eliminating meat without proper substitution. During my health journey, I discovered the importance of meat quality. Pasture-raised animals contain different fatty acid profiles than conventionally raised ones. Grass-fed beef contains up to 5 times more omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed alternatives, according to research from the British Journal of Nutrition. Cooking methods significantly impact meat's health effects. High-temperature grilling creates compounds called heterocyclic amines, cases, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, that may increase cancer risk with frequent exposure. Slow cooking at lower temperatures reduces these compounds substantially. Portion control remains crucial. Nutrition experts recommend limiting red meat portions to 3-4 ounces, about the size of a deck of cards, rather than the 8-12 ounces commonly served in restaurants. This simple adjustment maintains nutritional benefits while minimizing potential downsides. Individual responses to meat vary based on genetic factors, gut microbiome composition, and metabolic health. This explains why some people thrive on higher meat diets, while others feel better with less. Here's my practical approach that transformed my relationship with meat. Quality over quantity. I now choose better quality meat less frequently rather than lower quality meat daily. The flavor improvement alone justifies this shift. Rotation strategy, alternating between different protein sources, red meat, poultry, fish, and plant proteins, ensures nutritional diversity and prevents overconsumption of any single food. Mindful portions, using smaller plates, and visualizing proper portion sizes helped retrain my perception of enough meat. Accompaniments matter. Pairing meat with fiber-rich vegetables and complex carbohydrates improves digestion and creates more balanced meals. Preparation techniques: marinating meat in herbs and acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar before cooking reduces potentially harmful compounds formed during high-heat cooking. Those with existing health conditions should approach meat consumption carefully. Individuals with kidney disease need to monitor protein intake closely. Those with cardiovascular concerns may benefit from leaner cuts and alternative protein sources several days per week. Always consult healthcare providers about dietary changes if you have chronic conditions. Tracking your body's response to different meat consumption patterns reveals personal insights no study can provide. Keeping a simple food mood journal for 2 weeks while experimenting with different meat quantities and types can identify your optimal approach. I found that eating red meat twice weekly, chicken or turkey 3 times, and fish or plant proteins for remaining meals created my ideal balance. Energy levels stabilized, workouts improved, and digestive comfort increased dramatically.